Hello everybody, so we're going to get ready to start our Unit 1 Introduction to Dance. If you don't know where it goes, you have your pre-unit, turn your pre-unit, here was your pre-unit reflection, here's your pre-unit vocabulary, and voila, here's your Unit 1. Look at the spiral is on the left hand side of the page, so it's originally where it's supposed to be. So you're going to write Unit 1 however you like, and Introduction to Dance. You turn the page, here's your Unit 1 Week 1 reflection. You have that line in the middle just like your pre-reflection, and you have Unit 1 Week 1 vocabulary. Now on this envelope, you're going to glue this envelope down, and on this envelope you're going to have dance, elements of dance, body, space, time, energy, relationship. So now this time we have about 7 more words to add. And on the bottom, of course, we're going to have no old words for this unit because the words before were team building, icebreaker. It's a completely different type of unit, so we're not really meshing them in together, which is good. On the other side, you're going to have your KWL table. It's what I know about dance, flap, what I'm wondering about dance, and what have I learned. Okay? And then the next thing you're going to have is your element of dance. It's like a flower fold. That's what I like to call it. So if I open it all the way up, here's your element of dance. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Turn the page, and now you get to the purpose of dance. This is would be handed out in class, or you can find it on Schoology. It's just bubble wraps, or I should say a bubble map. And here it is, it's a bubble map. And then you'll have a circle template that you're going to cut out circles. And then you glue on right in this section in the line. So you put it down and fold it right at the line. So what we do is we can open it. So what it says is, what is the purpose of dance? Like communicate an idea is one purpose of a dance. And then draw or write an example under the flap. So you flip it up and you draw or write your example. Okay, so that's there. You're going to get this page in class as well. This is a body awareness page, so that's the next page. So if we go back, just back a little bit, you have your Unit 1, you have your reflection, your vocab. On the other side, you have what you know, wondering, learned, your element of dance, flower. You have your purpose of dance. Then next, you have your body awareness. Just cut around the edges, again, where the border trim is. You don't have to get fancy and cut the border trim, just right at the edge so it can fit. Again, this is your body awareness, so just put it in there, and we do this in class. This is great. Turn the page. You have your element of dance. Cut around the trim, and this will be done for us, okay? We do all this in class. The next one, you go to moving body parts. You'll have your head, your arms, feet, hands, legs, and shoulders. Again, this is a bubble map. You're going to have these circles again. We want to be interactive. So here again, it says, what body parts can we move? Here are some examples. We flap it up. Under the flap, how can we move them? Then you tell us how we can move them. Okay? Turn the page, and we're done for this unit. Okay? Well, not this unit, but this week of the unit. Okay? So if I turn, we're at pre-unit. There's your pre-unit reflection vocab, your Unit 1, reflection vocab. Make sure it says Unit 1, Week 1. Unit 1, Week 1. What I know about dance, what I'm learning about dance, what have I learned? Your flower. There's a template for this. I actually just created this by hand, but there's an actual template for this online. Online on Schoology for you to see. The purpose of dance, don't forget your bubble sheets. Okay. The body awareness sheet, element of body, and moving of body parts is your last one. So when you turn the page, you're done. Okay, and right here it would say Unit 1, Week 2 reflection, and then in the middle, Unit 1, Week 2 vocabulary, and then we would put an envelope here. Okay, so nice and organized. Once you're ready, table of contents. Everything like this should be in your table of contents if you set up the book correct. So here, interactive notebook contract, the dance class syllabus, reflection and vocabulary guidelines, my dance my dance goals and plan, pre-unit start, pre-unit reflection and vocab, unit 1 start, and then we'll have week 1 vocabulary reflection. The KWL, the know what learned table, an element of dance, and the purpose of dance will all be right there. So, and you number the pages. Remember, page 1 does not start until the contract. Okay? So if I turn, and I have 2, here's the contract, page 1. And then on the back, come on, sorry. Okay, oop, turned too far. So, sorry. So you have here, page 1, turn, page 2. You can't really see it, page 2. On the other side, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So pre-unit started on page 5 and finished at 6. Unit 1 starts at 7 and it finishes at 13. Okay? But again, that's just Unit 1, Week 1. So make sure that you're organizing your table of contents. I haven't put dates on them yet because I did this over the summer, so we just need to make sure that we're doing this all together. So this would be last week's and the week before, and this would be next week. All right? Hope you got it. Good luck.